Hi everybody, and welcome back to Coblentz Builders, where we take your dreams and turn them into reality. In today's video, I'd like to show you our shop that we built for us. It's a 40 by 80 post frame building. Come take a look. So this first room in here is what we made for having little get-togethers like Christmas parties and things like that for Coblentz Builders. You can see here we had the floor done with a really nice epoxy. On the walls we did the galvalume and the black metal. We thought it made a really nice contrast. See the room here. And then back here in this area, a little kitchen. Underneath the stairs here, we kind of hid the hot water tank and everything, just like a utility closet. Over here, we have a small bathroom, a tub and a sink and a toilet. Let me show you upstairs. So this room up here is made for just like a social room for us to hang out and sit around and just socialize. So our idea on this upper loft area was to show off different types of metal that you can use for your dream garage. If you look up here, we have some wood grain texture metal. There's another wood grain over here. This is all the same wood grain here. This side here is a rock. So in here is a bedroom for guests to stay in. Let's go check out the inside of the garage part. So here's the inside of the garage. We did the white liner panel here on the inside of the garage. Did the ceiling and the walls both. So behind me here, we put a loft up top. We have 8-foot ceiling downstairs so that you can put your stuff underneath here. We went up doing a white ceiling. Now underneath the loft, we went with the board and batten wood. And on top, we just did the boards. And the reason why we did that is just to show people different looks and so they can get ideas for what they want to do for their garage. So this room here that we built up underneath the stairs is intended for an air compressor room. We want to insulate this and try to keep the noise down. I can show you up here on the loft. So up here we have a really large storage area. Probably store about anything that you want in here. And over here we have a little bit more storage area. It's above the bathroom, it's downstairs. All right, let's head back downstairs. So out here we used the stone wainscoting, like charcoal color stone. We thought it looked really nice with the color scheme of the building. Let's go in here and check out our office. Welcome to the inside of the office. So in here we did the epoxy flooring just like we did in the party room over there. We went a little bit different with the wainscoting bottom, the gray walls. Went with drywall in here because this is our office. So this room in here is set up to be our conference room. We have to put a table in here and everything. This is where all the conference stuff is supposed to happen. So that'll wrap up this video. Thanks for coming along and checking out our shop. I really hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit the like and subscribe button and come check us out on our next video. If you're interested in Coblentz Builders helping you build your next dream project, and you live in the Western Pennsylvania or Eastern Ohio area, call me, Robert, at 814-572-5241, and I'll be happy to talk to you.